Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In last video, we have seen that how to install JDK 21 on Windows. So let's successfully installing JDK 21 on Windows. Here I am downloading IntelliJ IDE Community Edition. So click on that, and then as you can see, here is the link for IntelliJ IDE. So click on that. So IntelliJ IDEA comes with two versions, that is Ultimate and another one is Community version. So Ultimate is the paid version and Community Edition is the unpaid version. It is a free. So we are going to download the Community Edition. Click on download. Here we successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click on that and click on open IntelliJ IDEA. Click on yes. Then next, select the path and click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut, then click on this checkbox and then next. Then again install. Now IntelliJ IDEA will install it, and it also created a desktop shortcut. Now click on finish, and here we successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA. Double click on IntelliJ IDEA. It will open the IDE. So here click on I confirm and accept the agreement.